Okay, now we're going to take a look at a TCL. Not sure who makes this one. You know, it's kind of a, well, it's not kind of, it is like a generic. Let's see what this says. Well, it's a 5,000. 2019, wow. November 2019, so this is not even 2 years old, so Zhonghan Company Limited. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know who makes this. The sticker's all faded already. It's only 2 years old. I think, you know, I've had one or two of these TCLs. I remember I had one of these and like the compressor was locked up on it. It was fairly new, but like the compressor just buzzed. It was like locked up. All right, let's turn this on. Don't know if this works. He kind of sounded a little iffy there when it started up. Oh, compressor's on. It's on low fan. Eco. Those eco modes are just, those don't really do anything. Where's the filter on this? Yeah, you know, this feels really cheap. Even the grill feels cheap. I mean, they're all the grills are pretty cheap, but this one, I don't know, it's got kind of a real cheap feel to it. Oh, it is working. It's cold. Not super cold yet, but yeah, it definitely works. It's definitely getting cold. It looks like it's vibrating a little bit, the fan housing. I don't know if you can see that. It's weird. Not rattling or anything. Maybe that's just how it is. It's a GMCC. Yeah, I don't know about this one. It works fine, you know. I kind of doubt this is going to hold up. I think these are real cheapo. They're all pretty cheap nowadays, but I think this is extra cheap. It is blowing very cold air. It does work. It's got a pretty strong fan. I'm only on low. Medium. Little delay there before it switched. There's high. It's weird, it's got a pretty long delay in between the fan. Wow, it's got a really strong fan. Kind of a nice fan. So yeah, it runs alright, it works good. Really nice fan. It's blowing very cold air. Yeah, I guess it's alright. I guess it's okay for a, you know, a low budget air conditioner, I don't know. So there you go, that's a generic TCL. See you next time.